How much did you have to drink tonight, Miss Yang?
I'm sure I didn't drink.
Oh, you did drink. I smelled it all the way over here, man. How much did you have tonight, man?
1 cup.
All right, Miss Yang, put your hands behind your back for me, okay? Before you come to the rest of the DUI, okay?
June 27th, 1 a.m., Middletown. A weaving vehicle strikes a barrier. Notice how quickly probable cause is established. Let's audit this textbook DUI enforcement. Watch her initial demeanor closely.
What's going on?
Nothing.
All right. What's happening tonight? All right. I just got to let you know you are being recorded on my body-worn camera, okay?
Sorry.
Where are you coming from, ma'am?
China.
You're coming from where?
China.
You're coming from China. Where are you driving from tonight, ma'am?
Oh, we are trying from Sandy Hook.
From where?
Sandy Hook.
Sandy Hook? Okay. What did you hit? You hit something right here.
I hit the road.
When asked what she hit, she claims she only hit the road. This blatant contradiction triggers an immediate tactical red flag.
You hit the barrier?
Uh-huh.
All right. How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 23.
You're 23? Where do you live at, ma'am?
I live at,
How much did you have to drink tonight?
I didn't.
Yeah, you had a little bit of drink. I'm smelling it here. How much did you have to drink tonight? What's that? You had no alcoholic beverages?
Mm-hmm.
I'm smelling it here, though. Did you have any beer or anything?
They do.
All right.
While the driver maintains her innocence, Dispatch runs the plates, sieving fees. A fresh report confirms a vehicle struck a yellow barrier at Whole Foods, Fortures. The net is tightening.
You hit the barrier back there?
403.
Affirmative 36 in Church by the Belford Motor Company. Take your time. I have Atlanta got me. Where did they hit the barrier? In your place, or?
I think it was on. I was off the highway while the call came in. I was like, oh shit, it's right in front of me somewhere. So I started picking up, and I was getting updates, and I eventually saw them, and they were all over the place and cooking. The caller stopped a while ago. I think the cat comment said. Oh yeah, that's definitely a median.
That's fresh. That's a median.
I think one cat comment said it almost hit the median, then I thought one cat comment said it might have hit
The yellow one is from Whole Foods.
You hit it in Whole Foods?
Notice how the officer cross-references the yellow paint transfer. This establishes probable cause before asking her to step out.
The yellow one.
The yellow right here.
Okay, that was asking
Yes.
where they are. I have them stopped at
It's from
36
Whole
Main.
Foods.
403, 10-4, thank you.
The officer makes the tactical decision to extract the driver under Pennsylvania versus Mims. Law enforcement possesses absolute legal authority to order any driver out of a legally stopped vehicle.
Find out where she hit that, because technically that's the accident. That's whether it was an accident. Let's pull her out real quick. Young lady, what's your name, ma'am?
Crystal. Do you want
Crystal?
a driver's license?
Crystal? Yeah, give me your driver's license, please, Crystal.
402, receive the clear, 0024.
Do you have a New Jersey driver's license, Crystal?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, Ms. Yang, step out for me, ma'am, okay?
Sure.
Crystal steps out into the cold night. She mutters an apology, claiming she did not mean to cause any damage, but apologies do not erase property destruction.
John, do me a favor. Just check the CAD comments, see what she hit and where. Yeah, I think she hit a car, too. And where she hit the median, find out.
It was like Tier 1.
Oh, all right. Then it's ours, then. All right.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
What's that?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Ms. Yang, well, where did this happen at right there? This.
Oh, this is from Whole Foods in New York.
Notice the dangerously casual tone of her admission. Alcohol severely blunts the prefrontal cortex, causing suspects to disclose major hit-and-run felonies with the emotional gravity of small talk.
Ma'am, stay in the car, please. Stay in the car, please, please. All right, Miss Yang, step over here for me, okay? Miss Yang, all right,
The officer administers the pre-field sobriety alphabet test, a seemingly rudimentary task designed to evaluate divided attention capacity under high stress.
do you know the alphabet, Miss Yang?
I do.
All right. So I'm going to have her do for me, okay? You're going to recite the ABCs for me, okay? You're going to recite the ABCs starting with A, ending with Z, recite each letter individually. I will demonstrate to you. A, B, C, D, and continue up.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
While Crystal completes the sequence without stumbling, her rigid cadence reveals immense internal reckoning. She is manually overriding her central nervous system.
All right. This is what I have you do for me, Ms. Yang, okay? Fine. Step over here for me, ma'am, okay? All right.
The officer deploys the smoking gun. He directly challenges her denial by stating he smells alcohol from feet away. Watch her immediate defensive pivot.
How much did you have to drink tonight, Ms. Yang?
I'm sure I didn't drink.
Oh, you did drink. I smelled it all the way over here, ma'am. You did have a little bit to drink. How much did you have, ma'am? No, it's not them. We're very far away from them, okay? How much did you have tonight, ma'am?
1 cup.
Oh, you had 1 cup of what?
White wine.
She pivots from 0 drinks to 1 cup of white wine. This incremental confession is the classic golden ticket suspects use to minimize criminal exposure.
You have 1 cup of white wine? All right. What did you hit, man? Did you hit a car by any chance? Do you remember hitting a car?
I'm sure I didn't.
Did you hit the barrier? Do you remember you hit the barrier, right? Back there, right? In our town?
Yes.
All right. But you didn't hit a car, right?
No, I didn't. I'm sure.
That the damage on the other side of the car is from hitting the barrier, right?
That one is from Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure. The yellow one?
What's that?
That one is half.
All right.
The officer initiates the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. Unlike verbal statements, involuntary ocular muscle spasms cannot be consciously manipulated or weaponized.
Okay. Ms. Yang, face me, ma'am, okay?
Sure.
All right. Do you wear glasses, Ms. Yang?
I have eye contact.
Okay. You don't have astigmatism or anything, right?
No.
No, you don't? All right. I'm going to do for you. Keep your head completely straight for me, okay? You're going to keep your eye on the tip of this pen for me, okay? Just give me some light, John, please. All right? Just keep your eye on keep your head completely straight for me, okay? What's that?
You're fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Head completely straight for me. Just keep your head completely straight for me, Ms. Yang, okay? Head completely straight. Don't move your head, okay? Just tip of this pen for me, okay?
Prior to Granddad.
6 out of 6 established clues observed in any court of law across the United States. This provides scientifically unimpeachable proof of intoxication.
6 out of 6 hits on HGN. Just follow the pen for me, please. All right.
Next is the one-leg stand. Crystal attempts to pull rank on procedure by weaponizing a Band-Aid on her knee as a medical exemption. Watch the officer's absolute procedural refusal.
Ms. Yang, this is what I'm going to do for you, ma'am. Step over here for it. It's a solid level area, okay? Miss Yang, you can take your flip-flops off or you can leave them on, ma'am. It's up to you. All right? This is what I'm going to have you do, all right? Your feet together for me. Heels together. Hands to your side. Maintain this position while I explain the test, okay? What I'm going to have you do is lift the foot of your choice, okay, approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? You're going to look at the foot you lift up, and you're going to count by 1,000, starting with 1, and continue up until I tell you to stop, okay? I will demonstrate it. It looks like this, okay? Feet together, hands to your side, all right? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, and continue starting with 1000, continue up until I tell you to stop, okay?
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011.
Foot isn't even off the ground. All right. Oh, all right.
1000.
John, make sure you don't fall, John.
I have a knee problem. I can show you.
Oh, it's okay. You don't have to show me, Ms. Yang. It's okay. You don't have to show me, Miss. Stop. Miss Yang, stop. It's okay.
I have Band-Aid.
Oh, you have a Band-Aid? Okay.
The officer calmly dismisses the visual demonstration request. Maintaining strict tactical command ensures the suspect cannot derail the standardized evaluation framework.
It's okay. All right. This thing I'm going to do for me next. I want you to fall. I don't want you to fall, Ms. Yang, okay? This thing I have to do for me next, ma'am, okay? Just put it right in front of your left on this yellow line for me, please, ma'am.
Notice her inability to maintain heel-to-toe contact during the turn. Motor skill degradation confirms central nervous system saturation.
Heel to toe, right in front of your left. Right foot in front of your left. Right on this line, please. Right on that line. Face this way. Heel to toe, right in front of your left. All right. John, so she hit the barrier in our town, right? So this is completely us, right?
The barrier at Care 1 in King James Lane, and then I'm not sure where she would have hit the caller's vehicle.
Did she definitely hit the caller's vehicle?
So far, the caller says they have damage to their vehicle.
sorry.
That's back in Islands. Was it back in Islands? I don't know. Yeah.
How did I know? Did you hit a car, Miss Yang?
I did.
Did she hit a car?
I can't.
She just hit the barrier.
Yeah.
No car, right?
Yeah.
You remember her hitting the barrier, right? All right. All right, Ms. Yang, it's not going to do for me, right?
Yeah,
right foot in front of your left for me, please. Right foot in front of your left.
Somewhere around there.
All right.
Go look. Apparently there's a piece of
All right, don't worry. It's completely ours. If she didn't hit the car, it's ours. And all right, right foot in front of your left. What's that? You just okay. All right. Hands to your side for me, Miss Yang. Okay. Just maintain this position while I explain the test. Okay. All right. What I'm going to have you do is you're going to take 9 steps forward. Okay. You're going to count. Well, not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
No, don't start yet. Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 steps forward. You're going to count each step out loud. Okay. You're going to turn in a prescribed manner. Take 9 steps back on the same line. Okay. I will demonstrate the turn to you. Okay, ma'am? All right. Right in front of your left. All right. 1, 2, all the way to 9, and turn in a series.
Notice her inability to maintain heel-to-toe contact during the turn. Motor skill degradation confirms central nervous system saturation.
Pivots on the inside foot, 9 steps back on the same line. Okay? All the way to 9. Okay?
Let's have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The cuffs click shut, double locked for transport. Under New Jersey DUI statutes, probable cause crystallizes into physical custody. The illusion of immunity evaporates into the night air.
All right, Miss Yang, put your hands behind your back for me, okay? Be place on the rest of the DUI, okay? You're not gonna give me a hard time, man, right? Place on the rest for DUI.
She hurts me.
What's that, ma'am? What?
I promise. It's just one.
What's that?
She's supposed to hurt. She's supposed to hurt.
You want a hook snort? Johnson?
Who's the success?
Vanderbilt. Oh, Vanderbilt. Moss. Vanderbilt's 2, yeah.
You're behind the
Double locking prevents mechanical injury to the suspect's wrists while eliminating any opportunity for restraint defeat during transit.
Coffee house. All right, this is what's going to happen, okay? We're going to bring it back to our headquarters. We're going to run you through a few quick tests, and we're going to release you tonight as long as somebody come and pick you up, okay, Ms. Yang? Just be cooperative, man, okay? Get the same car.
My friends.
We'll get them home. We have to tow the car. Young ladies, you got to get out of the car, okay? We got to take this car, all right?
We should take the car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take everything.
Who's,
take everything.
Take everything.
Take everything.
Well, so
I think it's all in us.
Sarge, do you want us to go talk to the caller? Because apparently they got damage to their car. They're in Vanderbilt behind the coffee house, apparently.
Can they come here?
All right.
See if they come. If not, we'll go get. We already have her, so we'll get.
Okay.
Just get there. Maybe you can go get their information a little bit. All right.
Okay.
John, just walk. It's okay.
Walk this way, okay?
Ms. Yang, okay.
Conducting an immediate roadside search of the arrested subject ensures no contraband or weapon enters the secure transport patrol unit.
Hey, you don't have anything on you, ma'am, right? You don't have any.
No.
Yes.
I don't know how to.
What's that?
You want to put her in mine, or?
My car's over there. You want to put her in mine?
Yeah, we'll put in one of the cars.
Yeah.
There's only like 6 of them back there. You all right?
Someone put my car on the side.
No, we gotta tow
Your car's getting towed.
Okay. You don't have anything on you, ma'am, right?
No.
No.
I mean, like, have my phone on.
You need my card on the end.
Where's your
Okay.
family, Miss Yang? Do you have someone to come pick you up? You don't have a family member? Brother,
I
sister,
have my phone.
boyfriend, husband,
No.
father, mother?
All right, give me one sec,
No,
sir.
they're in California.
You don't have a friend or something?
I just
right.
have
You just have to pat you down, man. You have nothing on you, John.
No.
All right, you have nothing on you, right, man? Okay. Yeah, I'm just getting you a light in your butt.
Yeah.
It's okay, Miss Yang. All right, have a seat, please. All right. Do you need anything out of that car, Miss Yang?
I just have my phone inside.
You need your phone. Get your phone. You need a wallet or anything? John, just stand right over me.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. That's not too tight on you, ma'am, is it? It's not too tight, is it?
No.
It's not. All right.
Okay.
All right, John, just give her a ride and I'll see you.
Okay. But
What's that, ma'am? And not until, it's not too tight, right? Well, those are double locked, man.
It's a little tight.
What's that? Well, there's plenty of room in there, man. There's plenty of room for move around,
Put
okay?
it in front.
I can't put it in front, man.
Yeah,
Just
put it in
relax.
front.
It's not a long trip, okay?
so then you want me to bring her in, just see if county can get information on
Call
the.
the person. They live on Vanderbilt?
No, they're just parked there right now. These pulled off. I don't know if the car's still operable. I have no idea.
Just get on the hook. See if they can come here. They're going to be here for a little bit.
The remaining passengers enter a loop of fixation, a classic manifestation of stress. Watch closely as the passenger attempts to assert driving authority over the impounded asset.
I think I can drive this car.
What?
I think I can drive the car.
No, you can't drive it.
I have a driver license. I do have. I do have.
But you're also intoxicated.
What?
You're also intoxicated.
When the passenger claims she can drive the car, the officer immediately issues a hard refusal. Allowing an intoxicated individual to operate the asset would transfer severe civic liability directly onto the police department.
I cannot drive the car.
Man, you can't drive the car.
Man, you can't. You're
Yeah,
intoxicated.
they're all drunk. You can't drive the car.
I smell you from over here, and there's wind blowing.
Is this Crystal's phone? This is Crystal's phone, right? That it is. I gotta hold on to it. I'll go bring it in.
So where did she go?
She's going back to our police headquarters.
Okay. Yep, you're just gonna step out here. Okay. Follow me. We're gonna go through that doorway right there, okay? Straight ahead. There we go, this way. And then through that door right here.
Inside the holding cell, for freedom has now been officially taken away, the booking process is complete, and in this moment her casual claim that she had only one drink finally collides with...
Hello. So who's driving? Okay, I just need your ID, sir. Thanks.
The final stage of the DUI protocol. A sober, licensed guarantor arrives to take custody. The officer verifies his credentials and initiates the transfer of liability. The department's duty of care officially shifts to the third-party custodian.
You. All right. I just have this form here. I'm going to have you sign. Basically just says you're taking liability over here. You're picking her up. Just give me one moment. First name is Wu. Sorry. Gotcha.
By signing this specific document, Mr. Wu assumes full legal and physical responsibility for the intoxicated suspect's safety. The single signature effectively shields the police department from any subsequent civil litigation.
Perfect. Thank you very much. All right. You can have this back. And just sit tight for me, okay?
The system runs on facts, not apologies. Crystal Yang was officially charged with DUI. The ultimate price, a 7-month license suspension, $800 in fines, and 12 hours of rehab. When arrogance collides with the barrier, the law is the ultimate shield. But is a 7-month suspension a harsh wake-up call, or just a slap on the wrist? What is your verdict?